Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Tea. What's this, Hang? You again made this dish? I can't eat this anymore. I'm bored by eating this. Jin. Then stay hungry. We don't have the plant of money, whom we shake and money falls. Either eat this quietly or stay hungry. I don't have this much energy left to argue with you. Will you eat it or not? Pick the plate. Tea held the plate. No, I'm eating, Hang. I'm so hungry. Jimin hesitated. Hang, June looked at him. Say, what do you wanna say? Jimin, Hang, there is an art competition in our school, so can you buy me colors? It's okay if you don't, I can understand you. Hobby, Minnie, I know we are facing financial problem, but we aren't this much poor to not buy colors for you. Don't worry, I will buy color set for you. Jimin, thank you so much, Yang. Jin looked at Cook. Now, where are you going? Cook looked at Jin. To meow meow, you all are eating heel. Meow meow was feeling alone, na? June, no need to go anywhere. Cook looked at him. Be June, because selfish people deserve to stay alone. Cook, Meow Meow isn't selfish. Meow Meow loves everyone a lot. Meow Meow doesn't deserve to stay alone. Cookie will always stay with Meow Meow. Picked his plate and left. June shouts, Cookie, come back. Cook shouts back, No. June, this boy is getting out of our hands. Jimin, let it be, Hang. If he wants to eat with Yoongi Yang, then let him eat. What's the problem in this? June, shut up. There is huge problem. If he stays with selfish person like him, then soon he will also become selfish. Like him, I'm done. Stood up. Jin, no, you aren't done. First finish your dinner. June, without looking at him, I'm full. Jin, didn't you hear what I said? June again sat on the chair and started eating unwillingly. Dinner went silent. No, none of them talked after that. After the dinner, one by one, everyone left except women, who stopped to clean the dishes. Meanwhile, with Cookie came to Yoongi's room, but he wasn't there. He saw Yoongi's dinner was on the table. He hadn't touched anything. He checked him in washroom, but he wasn't there too. He placed his food on the table next to Yoongi's and came to balcony while searching Yoongi and found him sitting in the corner on the floor without any emotions. He was lost in himself. Cookie sighed in relief to see him. Cook, Meow meow, meow meow. Yoongi didn't respond. Meow meow, meow meow. Shook him. Meow meow, what happened? Why does meow meow lost? Yoongi, without looking at him, nowhere. Cook, what is meow meow doing here? Yoongi, nothing. Cook held his hand and tried to pull him. Meow meow, let's go and eat dinner. Yoongi, leave my hand. I'm not hungry. Cook, then what will happen to food? Ginny will be mad. Ginny made food with so much hard work. Yoongi, Yang won't say anything. Cook, but wasting food is wrong, na? Cookie's teacher said we shouldn't waste food. There are so many people who won't get to eat this. It's the disrespect of the food. Hyungi, I will eat it in the morning. Cook, but dinner should be eaten at night, na? In the morning we eat breakfast. Hyungi, food doesn't know that we are going to eat it as dinner or breakfast. Cook, why doesn't food know? Hyungi, I don't know. Cook, why doesn't Meow Meow know? Hyungi, how many questions will you ask? Can't you stay quiet for few minutes? Cook, why would Cookie quiet? God gave tongue and voice to Cookie to talk. Hyungi, don't ask questions from me. Cook, why doesn't Cookie ask questions from Meow Meow? Hyungi, because I don't have answer of your questions. Cook, why doesn't Meow Meow have an answer to Cookie's questions? Meow Meow is elder than Cookie, na? Meow Meow must have an answer to Cookie's questions. Hyungi, but I don't have an answer. Cook, that's what Cookie wanna know. Meow Meow studied more than Cookie. Hyungi, my teacher didn't teach me how to reply Cookie's answers. Cook, but Meow Meow. Hyungi, how many questions do you have? Cook thinks hard. Don't know. Cookie has so many answers. Cookie is a smart boy, na? Hyungi, why are you asking these many questions? Cook, Junni said asking questions is good habit. It helps to increase Cookie's curiosity. Hyungi, then go and ask from him. He is walking encyclopedia. Cook, encyclopedia? Hyungi, encyclopedia. Cook, what's this encyclopedia? Hyungi, encyclopedia has the answer of your all the questions. Just like June, he knew everything. You should ask questions from him, not from me. I'm dumb. Cook, but Meow Meow has brain. Then how can Meow Meow be dumb? Hyungi, why did you come here? Cook, Cookie came here. Thought, yeah, Cookie remembered. Cookie came here to eat dinner with Meow Meow. Hyungi, what? You haven't eaten your dinner yet? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie thought to eat with Meow Meow. Cookie is so hungry, but without Meow Meow, Cookie can't eat anything, na? Hyungi, why can't you eat? Will you eat by my mouth? Cook, how can Cookie eat by Meow Meow's mouth? Hyungi stood up. Wait, let me bring your food. Cook, Cookie already brought Cookie's food, but Cookie will eat with Meow Meow. If Meow Meow won't eat, then Cookie also won't eat. Hyungi, how much stubborn are you? Okay, fine, I will eat too. With that, Hyungi went inside the room and Cookie happily followed him. Hyungi knew Cookie's stubbornness very well, so he started eating too while feeding him, and after that washed the dishes too, because women already cleaned the dishes. Time skipped at next day. Cookie was happily walking in the corridor and saw Jimin was sitting in his room. He was about to cry, so Cookie came inside and climbed on his bed. Cook, Minnie, what happened? Jimin quickly turned his face to the side. Nothing. Cook went to the side and cupped his face. Minnie can't make Cookie fool. Cookie knew Minnie isn't problem. Minnie should tell to Cookie. Cookie will help to solve Minnie's problem. Cookie is a smart boy, na? Jimin, a tear dropped from his eyes. Cookie, today is my last day. Will you miss me? Cook wiped his tears by his thumb. Why is Minnie crying? And why is Minnie saying that today is his last day? Jimin, because when Jung Hyang returns back, he won't leave me. He will be by his bare hands. Cook, but we? Jimin, because 3 days ago Junhyang said today he will take my test. Cook, so what? Junni took Cookie's test to Cookie learned his all the answers and Junni said well done. Junni will say well done to Minnie too. Minnie shouldn't cry. Minnie doesn't look good with tears. Minnie looks good with smiling. Jimin, Cookie learned his answers. That's why Junhyang said well done to Cookie. But I forgot to solve this problem because of art competition. I forgot about his test. Now when I ask to Junhyang, then he will say that I should ask this before. Now what should I do? Cook, Minnie should ask to Titi. Jimin, Cookie, Titi is my junior. How could he help me? I can help T, but he can't. Cook, oh, then Cookie should ask from Meow Meow. Meow Meow is in his room. Meow Meow is elder than Minnie, so Meow Meow can help Minnie by teaching Minnie how to solve this problem. Jimin, yeah, Yoongi Han can help me, but I can't go to him. Cook, but we? Jimin, because Junhyang will be mad on me if he gets to know that I asked help from Yoongi Han. You know na, nobody is talking with Yoongi Han. Everyone is angry from him. Cook, is Minnie also angry with Meow Meow? Yoongi, Jimin, no, I'm not angry with him. Before I was angry, but it's okay. Everyone does mistakes. Yoongi Han did too. He got his punishment, but everyone is still angry with him. Now it's enough. Everyone should have forgiven him. Cook, yeah, Cookie also said this, but nobody listened to Cookie. Leave it. Minnie should come with Cookie. Junni isn't at home. Junni doesn't get to know anything. Now come fast. He held Jimin's hand and started dragging him to Yoongi's room. Cookie opened the door a little bit and peeked inside and saw Yoongi was working on his laptop. He dragged Jimin inside. Cook, meow meow. Yoongi, without looking at him, Cookie, I'm busy. Come after some times. Jimin whispered to Cook, Cookie, he's busy. Let's go. Cook, wait, meow meow. Minnie wants your help. Yoongi, Minnie immediately turned around. Minnie, why are you standing there? Come inside and sit. Jimin hesitated. Yeah. Cook dragged Jimin inside. Minnie, meow meow won't eat Minnie. Yoongi turned his chair. Minnie, what help do you want from me? Jimin, actually, Hang, today Junhyang will take my test. Because of the art competition, I forgot about it. Now, when I tried to solve the problem, I couldn't understand it. Can you teach me? It's okay. If you are busy, I will come after sometimes. Yoongi, no, it's alright. I will do work later. I will teach you first. Jimin, thank you, Yang. Ran to his room and brought his bag. Yoongi gave money to Cookie. Cookie, go and eat ice cream. I heard yesterday T was asking money from Hyang to buy ice cream, but he denied, and in return bring ice cream for Minnie too. Cook took the money. Tasty ice cream. Licked his lips. But they left. Cookie happily left and Yoongi started teaching Jimin. Soon Cookie came with tea. Tea, Yoongi hung. Yoongi turned to Tea. Tea, what happened? Tea, Yang, Cookie gave me this money and said you told him to buy ice cream. Yoongi, I gave him money to eat ice cream. You want to eat it now? T hugged Yoongi's back tightly. Thank you so much, Yang. You are the best. I will give you rest of the money. Yoongi, no need. Eat 2 ice creams, but Cookie should eat only 1. Cookie knew this, meow meow. T, looked at Jimin. Oh, so you are taking help from Yoongi Hang. Jimin, but don't tell this to Jun Hyang, please. T, don't worry, I won't tell him anything. I got my bribe. Now I'm going. Cookie wants big ice cream. Left. T Cook happily left from there while discussing about ice creams, and Yoongi started teaching Jimin. Today Yoongi was so happy. Women came to his room after 3 months. After 3 months he talked with them. Usually he doesn't like if anyone hug him, but today was he was so overwhelmed by T's hug. He was dying to get hug from his brothers. Jimin went went to his room. Yoongi completed his work. He was sitting on the balcony while holding his mobile. He was looking at the group pic and remembering how he ruined his happy family by his hands. Yoongi Tiko came to my room after 3 months. It took 3 months to hear hangs from their mouth. I had everything, my family and happy and cheerful family. I ruined everything by my own hands. I myself forced my brother to stay away from me. My brothers, who couldn't sleep without seeing my face, now hated me this much that they don't wanna see my face. My one mistake snatched everything from me. I didn't know my one mistake would cost me this much. I had to lose my brothers, my all the relationship. Why did I do that? I just hate myself. Flashback started. 3 months ago, Yoongi was working with Jin in their company. Yoongi got addicted with online gaming. At first, he won so much amount. Slowly, he started losing in debt. But he didn't stop. He thought if he spent more amount, then he will get back his all the loss. So he started spending more amount. He lost 2 million won. He started panicking. He didn't know how to recover all those money. He tried to stop playing, but now he was addicted of it. He couldn't stop himself. He was so afraid because he already lost huge amount. He didn't tell to Jin anything because of fear. Jin sensed wrong in his behavior. He tried to ask from him, but he didn't get courage to tell him anything. One day, when he was sitting in his room and trying to think about the solution, he got a message on his mobile. When he checked it, he saw there was a link. It was written that he won 5 million won in lucky draw. Yoongi became happy to see that. He thought his all the problems will solve. So he quickly clicked on the link and a form appeared. He hurriedly filled the form and added bank details too. Within a minute he got a message that his bank balance is zero. He threw his mobile and suddenly heard Jin's shout. Jin got the message from his manager that all the money from his and Yoongi's joint account is nil, zero. Jin became mad. Yoongi came down his stairs and saw everyone was there, and Jin was fuming in anger. Jin went to him and slapped him. Where did you spend all the money? Yoongi, he hung, Dad, actually. Jin slapped him again. Do you know? Now we have nothing. We came on road. Yoongi, so sorry, Hyang. I lost the money in online gaming, and for recovering the loss, I clicked on the link and lost all the money. Jin, what? Are you insane? Don't you know how much online scams are happening? You lost our hard-earned money. Yoongi, sorry, Hyang. Jin grabbed his arm and took him to Hobie. Sorry, huh? Hobie wants to open his dance academy. Dragged him to June. June wants to go to abroad. It was his dream to study there. For that, he did so much hard work and got scholarship too. Dragged him to Jimin. Just look at him. He wants to learn dance. dragged him to tea. He wants to join vocal class. Dragged to cooking. He wants to join taekwondo. This year he was going to admit him. Your one foolish act snatched our all the happiness. Our staff salary was in our joint account. Now how will we manage? Did your sorry bring back their happiness? How can you be this much selfish? Yungi, how? There was some technical problem in company's account, so they transferred the amount in their joint account, and company's money is also lost. Namjin immediately went to cyber cell to complain about online fraud with Hyungi. Officers told them that there is only 20% chances that they would get back the money, and they can get back the money in 10 days or 10 years. There isn't any fixed time. After hearing this, Jin panicked because he had to run the house and company. Without money, what will he do? He had to keep their house mortgage. Jin fired Hyungi from the company. June started giving tuition to earn some money. Hobie also started working in dance school and did part-time job too. Jin also started doing part-time job in restaurant. Their life shattered. Everyone maintained the distance from Yoongi. Nobody talks with him except Cookie, who was with him like a shadow. He didn't leave him alone. Flashback ended. At present day, tomorrow is Yoongi's birthday and Cookie wants to reunite everyone with Yoongi. For that, he was requesting to Jin to celebrate Yoongi's birthday. Cook, why can't we celebrate Meow Meow's birthday? Cookie brought Cookie's piggy bank. Cookie will bring everything. You all just wish him. June, don't argue with us. I can't celebrate selfish person's birthday. Cook shouts, how many times Cookie should tell you that Meow Meow isn't selfish? June also break everything all the time, but did we say Juni selfish? Don't forget, whenever Juni fell sick, Meow Meow stayed up whole night and took care of Juni. Meow Meow gave Juni money to buy books. Meow Meow isn't selfish. Juni says so many things to Meow Meow, but Meow Meow didn't say anything to Juni. Everyone does mistake and Meow Meow did too. Cookie's teacher said mistakes are good. They teach us so many things. You already punished Meow Meow a lot. You can't punish Meow Meow more. You should celebrate Meow Meow's birthday and forgive him. Hobie, I think Cookie is right. Yoongi Hang didn't do anything intentionally. We should forgive him now. Women, we already forgive Yoongi Hang. Cook shook June's head. Juni, what are you thinking? If Juni forgive Meow Meow, then Cookie will buy Juni two books by Cookie's piggy banks. Cookie's teacher said everyone deserves a second chance to improve his mistake. Didn't Juni read this in books? June looked at Cookie and everyone who were looking at him with hopeful eyes. Okay, we will celebrate Yoongi Hang's birthday. Cook's watch and was going. Ginny held his hand. Where is Ginny going? Jin, without cake, how will we celebrate your Meow Meow's birthday? It was midnight. Yoongi was sleeping in his room. Cookie peeked inside and saw him sleeping. He came inside with birthday cake which Jin made for him and started singing birthday song. Yoongi woke up and saw everyone was there. He forgot that today is his birthday. He thought it was a dream. Everyone hugged him tightly and forgave him and apologized too for their misbehavior. Yoongi happily blew the candles and cut the cake. It was his bestest birthday. He craved for this. Next day, they got a call from Cyber Cell that they arrested that scammer and within a week their amount will transfer in their account. Yoongi was doing freelancing job to support his family. Jin fitted the cameras in Yoongi's room and washroom too to keep his eyes on him. He was scared that and he couldn't take any wrong steps. But because of Cookie, Yoongi couldn't do anything. Yes, Jin was mad, but he couldn't let his brother die. Online gaming is good, but don't become addicted of it and be aware to click on any link no matter what happened. Never share your bank details and pin to anyone. Your one mistake can cause your whole family. So be aware and safe and happy Meow Meow Day. Some mistakes are very costly and somebody must have to pay it. If not you, then your loved ones. Always think twice before doing anything because you aren't alone. Your every action affects your loved one's life. Then you are left with nothing but regretting your decision. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Happy Women's Day. Mistakes happen unknowingly. Without mistake, you can't learn anything. There is nothing wrong to play online games, but while doing transactions, you have to be extra careful. It's the era of online, all the transactions done by online, so the chances of a scam increased. Be careful before clicking on any link. Just by one link you can share your all the details to scammers and they cleaned your whole account in seconds. The main motive to write this story just to aware you from online scams. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.